Anti-gravity is born from doing skin the cats. I mean, just look at this. Don't you see how agile, flexible, and strong you need to get to hold that movement for time? The truth is, this calisthenic exercise is really great for shoulder mobility, abdominal, grip, and lat strength. Well, I've decided to see how far would I gain from this movement by ignoring my despise of cats and actually imitate them by doing skin the cats every day for an entire week. I have two hypotheses for that experiment. The first one, I'll be able to hold a skin the cat for a whole minute or at least 45 seconds. The second one, since the muscles worked on that movement are really similar to the back lever, I'll bet I'll be able to do a comfortable 10-second clean back lever hold. With that said, let me check where I'm starting off so we get a clear picture of my normal capacity. For that occasion, I bought a home pull bar. The plan is that one day I'll train at my house and the other day it's going to be a test and rest at a random park. I then just have to rinse and repeat for 7 days and see how far I progress and encourage you guys to try it out so we can share the same level of skill set.
That's 15 seconds. I saw the stopwatch at 20 seconds and then I started at 5 seconds, right? My shoulders almost broke out. This is gonna be rough, but hey, we'll make it through. And now I'll try a back lever. Oh, that's shitty, man. Been a long time since I've done this, but I think it was like 3 seconds. Totally awful, but hey, we'll get better. So as a bonus for day 1, yes, I did test my maximum in both exercise, but then I really want to train it right now, so I do get some progress right off the bat. So therefore, the first exercise is going to be skin the cats, just rollovers and back and forth. I'm going to aim for 3 to 5 repetition and clean ones. Let's go. I'm destroyed. So for day 2, I've decided to quit my igloo and show you guys the Canadian landscape, the snow landscape, and I gotta do day 2, which is the test and rest. Timer. So sort of stopwatch at 27 and I started at 5 seconds. So that's a whole 22 seconds. So 7 seconds. Let's go! Now I'm gonna try my back lever. Just gonna warm my hands real bit because they're freaking cold. Alright, so I'm gonna try the back lever. That's definitely better than yesterday, so good thing. It was like 3 seconds, so that's a good nice start. Day 3 of the challenge, I just prepared the dinner, which is going to be chicken drumsticks, and for me to enjoy that meal, then I have to do the day 3, which is going to be the training day. So today the plan is to do skin the cats, repetitions for at least 4 reps. That's good, that's a great from 3 to 4. Then I'm going to do back lever, like deploys between skin the cats and back lever, and finally I'm gonna do skin the cats hold. So let's go for it. That's really hard. Oh my god. I am getting toasted, boys. Woo. Alright, so we are day 4 of the challenge. Today is a sunny day, but it is really hot, so -1 degree Celsius. That's good. So I'm gonna do the test and rest day. I'll go for 30 seconds today. Timer here. 3, 2, 1, go. My hands are too wet to stop the chrono, but
I've seen the stopwatch at 36 seconds. Now it says 52, but I see 36 seconds. And I started 5 seconds after starting it. So I did 31 seconds, which is an upgrade. So I'm definitely getting stronger. And just for information, when I was eating yesterday my dinner with the fork, well, I did had a shoulder pump. So my deltoids are really sore right now. Awesome progress. Now take a short break and check out my back lever. Wow, that's way better. Take a look at the footage and see how much time I did hold that. Oof, that's still really freaking rough. Five reps, let's go! So I'm gonna do 4 sets of 5 reps. Today I did a back and biceps day. Yes, I'm a little bit sore, but hey, we've got to make it happen. And I think this is still gonna be a great session for the skin cats. And trust me, today I didn't even want to do it, but fuck it, I just have to. My back lever is really lacking. So what I'm trying to do is some skinny cats, but try to pull myself up. So I really get these muscles worked in the right way, so I do be able to get a nice, like, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 seconds back lever. I almost dropped on the dog. Alright, so we're day 6. Today's a test day. So I'm aiming for 35 seconds of skinny cat holds. And then I really want to do today a nice, good looking 5-second back lever. That's the main effort today. So let me pull my stopwatch real quick. Stopwatch at 0. I'm gonna start at 5. Putting it down there. Go. I got snow over on my face. Up. 36 seconds. I saw the stopwatch at 41. You can see 43, but it really is 41, so still improvement. That's super cool. Now I have to do the back lever, and today I did chest day, and I did feel my chest really stretch the fuck out right there. So it's now time for the back lever. I'm not feeling confident, but I do my best, and I guess I'll be better, right? Oof, that's the best I can do. I wonder what it will look like in 2 days, 1 week time period. Peace, bros. Here we are, day 7. So today, instead of doing the training, what I think I'm gonna do is simply stretch my lats, stretch my my delts, stretch my wrists, stretch my forearms. So tomorrow on the test day, the final day, the 1 week challenge, well, I'm super fresh and I can actually hold it for as much time as possible, right? But the challenge wouldn't be complete if I'm not doing a skinny cat today. So therefore, I'm gonna do one right now just for you guys. Et voila, so 7 days straight. Tomorrow's the final day. I did skinny cats every day. Now it counts. So for my lats, I'm gonna do just 1 arm hangs like so. My feet are still on the ground. It also stretches my pec. That's great because I did the chest day yesterday and I'm super sore. And I'm pretty sure it did play a big role on my yesterday's score. So next exercise, I'm going to do skinny cats, but I'm going to keep the feet on the ground. So I do have the same stretch with less effort, right? Now that that's done, I'm just going to do some dead hangs to complete this off. And then I'm going to repeat this. It's late afternoon, so I'm going to repeat this just before bed.
So we are at the final day of the challenge. I can't lie to you guys, I'm feeling really hopeful right now. So I'm about to walk the dog, go to the park, and test my Scaly Cat maximum all and the back lever, right? So prior to that, I'm just warming up a little bit, just to make sure that all my muscles are ready to get the burden of the movement. Therefore, I'm making sure I'm flexible, I'm supple, and everything in between. Today at the park, it's going to be hard, but I have 2 tricks up my sleeve, and I want to show you guys, and then I might get better results than I wish for. Alright, so I've got to do this quick. It's currently minus 15 degrees Celsius. The dog has frozen paws right now. So let's go for the challenge. Pulling out the timer, and then the first trick up my sleeve is going to do it in chest. Because we're always stronger naked. Our pride is on the line. We're way stronger. Some chalk right there. Chalked hand, timer in my hands. Let's go for 1 minute. No. One minute, 5 seconds. Oh, my hands are frozen. My chest hurts. So I started a stopwatch at 1:15. That means that's 1 minute, 5 seconds. Yes! Boom! We're always stronger in chest. I'm gonna warm my hands a little bit, and then I'm gonna try the back lever. So now I'm a little bit warmer. I'm gonna try the back lever. Like a clear 6 seconds. I have to look back at the footage, but it was really good. Whew, I'm frozen. Yeah, man, let's go! Boom!
Yet again, I did surpass myself by achieving 1 minute and 5 seconds, which busts through the first hypothesis. Then I did fail the second hypothesis, but I did came close to it, and I did get better. So I'm not really stressed. I'm not even mad. I'm super happy of this challenge. To a certain degree, it was tougher than the LSIT one. So now come help the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and also check out my Gumroad service where I can design a program for you so you get to achieve the main character physique of your life, or get your free physique review with the links down below. Now I'll see you in the next one. And this was Nick Lap. Here we never peak because the best is yet to come. Peace out.